At number 1, outside hitter, Angel May Habacon. Player number 3, setter, Liberica Marie. At number 7, opposite hitter, Abigail Beneath Blanco. Player number 9, middle blocker, Justine Luis Cosbaños. And at number 19, middle blocker, Isabel Jacob Andal. First, libero, player number 10, Hiana Del Atlao. Our head coach, JC Velasquez. And ladies and gentlemen, give our love at number 7, outside hitter, Shivana Lapot. Player number 11, outside hitter, Shane Teta. At number 13, center, Juliana Tolentino. At number 15, middle blocker, Amy Provido. And at number 22, middle blocker, Katrina Del Castillo. Our first libero, player number 5, Laika De Leon. And of course, our head coach, Mr. Ramil De Jesus. This is match number 4 of the Cagayawan Women's Invitational Volleyball Tournament. Of course,
great game last night against LPU.
Good serve by Tolentino.
Here comes Davao.
And early service ace.
Now if you're
open. So if they can receive, I think they can capitalize their middle.
Here comes LPU. That's De
And
La Salle. Provido
over the block
for the Davao Eagles. Good receive by Davao.
Blanco, nice attack by Blanco.
Another opportunity.
To
Canino. Yes, sir.
Cross court attack by Canino.
Angel Canino also last night.
Yeah.
Goes over the net. Tolentino sets up. Provido.
Nice dig by Adlao.
Oo. Great performance kagabi. Itong si Adlao. Lapot.
And
Scores for La Salle.
Strong hit this time by Lapot.
Shivana Lapot having 6-1 start.
Serve. Set up to Andal.
That was deflected. Canino.
And another long shot by Canino.
Attack point for La Salle.
That's already 7-1.
And dito sa Yusef Gymnasium.
Nice receive by Adlao.
Yee on the setup.
Attack by Habacon. This time getting it through the blockers. Angel Habacon.
99.
Isa ring Bisaya to si Angel.
Of course, from Surigao. Here comes Canino.
And it hits the line.
Right on the line, indeed, Coach Coco. 9 serving for Davao last night against Letran.
Set
Del
up.
Castillo on the drop shot. Good dig by Davao.
Castillones.
Another dig by La Salle. Back to Canino. Blocked!
And
that's Canino breaking through the blockers. Good serve. What a good receive by Davao. Here's the opportunity. And that's an attack point for Davao.
Nice attack there for Castillones. Binawi yung outside. Trying to use it here against La Salle.
On the setup.
Running attack this time from Provido.
The middle blocker, Amy Provido, delivers. Comes the serve coming up. Good receive. Here comes La Salle.
To Lapot with a powerful hit.
Good deflection by Davao.
Deflection by Andal.
Drop shot
by Habacon. And back row attack.
Canino goes over the net.
Chance for Team Davao. Nice cross-court hit, but nice dig there.
Another opportunity for La Salle. Drop shot.
Nice read by Adlao.
Adlao with a good dig.
Castillones. And that gets through the blockers.
Castillones, the captain. Standout players mula sa Davao.
Good receive.
Oh, by
Adlao.
Oh, that was blocked. Here comes La Salle on the opportunity. Back to Lapo. Drop shot.
Nice block.
Oh, blocked by Davao.
Set up to Canino.
Back to Canino.
Oh,
and she scores.
Just hitting it long.
It's now La Salle looking to push to the 20-point mark. Sanchez now on the setup.
Set up to Habacon.
Habacon!
And this time, Habacon gets the point.
And throughout the tournament, Habakon leading all scorers for Davao.
Yeah, kagabi pa siya. Trying to do it all for Team Davao.
And you can see the crowd, the audience dito sa Houston Gymnasium enjoying the action ngayong gabi na ito.
Substitution for Lasal, Cortez in.
And Shivana Laput
Laput out.
will head back to the bench of LaSalle.
Trying to mix things up for Lasal.
Trying to add some spice, kumbaga,
Yeah.
for the Lady Spikers.
Jimenez with a good serve.
Here comes the setup.
Up to
Cortez! Blocked!
Binigyan ka agad ng bola.
De Leon with another chance. Set up to
This
Canino!
time.
Attack point for Angel Canino.
Another good serve. Sharp serve for Provido.
Adlaw with a good
Set
receive.
up to Habakon.
Habakon! This
through the
time
blockers.
around! Scoring for Davao. Serve
No.
coming up. Good receive by LaSalle. Here comes the setup. Back to Canino.
Again over the blockers.
So hindi maganda yung floor defense ng Davao Eagles.
Yeah, they have to adjust their floor defense because Angel is hitting it above the net.
Oo. And here's our replay hatid sa inyo ng Madeao Sports Davao.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 39th Kadayawan sa Davao Women's.
Good serve.
De Leon with the receive.
Set up
Reterta,
to
blocked.
Nice block
That's
by
from
Jimenez.
Oo, Jimenez and Sanchez with a great combo defensively.
Set up this time to
Another opportunity.
Kabatingan.
Kabatingan.
And good hit there for Kabatingan.
Attack point for Davao.
Another set point for
Clarion.
Lasal.
Oh!
This time.
And with that error, the De La Salle Lady Spikers takes set number 1. And it's a 10-point
Ball
win
game.
for serve for the Davao Eagles.
Lian Sanchez serving.
Reyes on the setup to Reterta.
And that is net touch violation for Reterta. Set was too close to the net.
Maria Lian Sanchez will serve. Canino on the setup.
Reterta
Reterta.
again. Nice dig by Adlaw.
Another chance for LaSalle.
Nice
Oh, that's a good block.
for Jimenez.
Oo.
And
Adlaw
now set up
on
this
the
time
setup.
to Blanco. Nice drop.
Blanco. Nice drop shot. But that was foiled by LaSalle. Laput.
Nice defense by Sanchez.
Gandang
Set
dig yan
up.
for Davao.
To Kabatingan.
Oh, another chance for Davao.
Nice drop.
Goes
by
over the
Kabatingan.
net.
No look drop for Kabatingan, but a counter attack.
That's Katrina Del Castillo.
But that's a point for Team Davao.
Oh,
A catch.
good jump serve.
Nice serve.
Goes over the net.
Chance for
Sanchez
Team Davao.
now on the setup. Blanco blocked.
Nice block.
Adlaw, another chance on the setup. Drop shot.
And
down it
that's a
goes.
point for Kabatingan.
Good start. She has been impressive also last night against LPU. Davao, a good receive.
Kabatingan easy over. Chance for Lasal.
Reyes now on the setup.
Combination Play to
Laput.
Laput. And
Attack point for LaSalle.
Angel Habacon's Team Davao has a lot of errors. 9 there. And 6 attacks with 1 service ace. And
Pasok yan for Davao.
Angel Habacon
Habakon
through the
delivers.
blockers. Just your mind. It's the mind games, Ray. If you're afraid to play against these Giants, then there will be a lot of errors.
And Canino with another attack point for LaSalle. 7 serving 5. Pahays of Katrina Del Castillo on the serve. Now with a good receive. Here comes Habakon drop shot.
Nice read by Reyes.
Here comes
This
LaSalle.
time Canino again.
Canino!
With a long hit. Deep cross hit there for Angel Canino.
Strong hit for Angel Canino.
Iniwas a block. Nice. Received by Adlaw.
Habakon.
So Habacon. Nice dig by
Right.
Del Castillo.
That's right. Back to Canino. Drop shot.
And Sanchez couldn't control the drop shot.
Another point. And LaSalle now has a 5-point lead. LaSalle with a 6-point lead in the second set. Now here comes
Spike
Habakon on the attack.
This time, getting it cross court.
Canino will serve.
Good serve.
Yi now on the setup. Blanco.
Chance for Lasal.
Reterta drop shot.
And
Good defense by Davao.
Habacon from the
Habakon
back row. And that's a point for Team Davao.
leading the charge for the Davao Eagles.
14
Serve
to
for Davao.
Jelu Mandalunes.
Now Lasal. Reterta.
Nice dig by Habakon.
Opportunity for Davao.
Alive.
Habakon goes over the net.
Habakon still saving the day for Team Davao.
Reterta drop shot.
Nice dig by Mandalunes.
Yee. Ball still live.
Ball is still alive.
Now here comes Reyes.
And set up.
Canino!
Canino with a back row hit.
A back row. Liberca Yee with the serve.
Good serve by Yee.
Now here comes Reyes. Now on the
Set
setup.
to
Back to Reterta.
This time getting it through the blockers. Powerful hits.
And that has been the serving 13 for Lasal.
Reyes now serving. Good receive there by Blanco. Quick attack by Jimenez. But good block
Butatan nabot mula sa De La Salle.
from Del Castillo. Reading the...
Here comes Davao.
Another setup, this time to Blanco.
Blanco.
And,
And
that hits
down
the-
it goes.
Nice attack there from Abigail Blanco.
And the youngsters scoring. Besides Angel 8 years ahead
Yeah.
in volleyball.
Good serve by Kabatingan.
Here comes Reyes now on the setup.
Up to
Laput.
And
That's an attack point for Shivana Laput.
another over the blockers hit for
Set number 2. Here's our replay hatid sa inyo ng Madeo Sports Davao.
Al Shaila Noro.
That's a good serve by Noro. Reyes now to Canino.
And this time, Angel Canino making sure that LaSalle gets the point.
And LaSalle has a chance. Ana Laput having a spectacular tournament for her.
Another setup this time to
Habakon.
Nice dig from Rodriguez.
Now here comes Reyes back to
Oh, that was a missed dig by Adlaw.
Oo. And that's Angel Canino gaining a point for LaSalle. Shivana Laput will serve. Another good jump serve.
And she finishes the match at the set with an ace.
And just like that, the De La Salle ladies. Si Ray Alonsagay, kasama ko po si Coach Coco Guison.
Start of the third set.
That's a good block. Pero nakabawi ang Davao. Another chance.
To Blanco
Blanco
again. This
right through the
time
blockers.
Gets it through the blockers. On deck serving. Good serve for Andal.
Good receive though by LaSalle.
Set is too
Provido.
short. Nice adjust by Provido.
Mm.
And chance now for Ateneo. Combination plate.
That's
by
a drop
Habakon.
shot. Pero nakadig yun ang LaSalle.
Nice read.
And Angel Canino. Attack point. For the LaSalle Lady Spikers.
Good short serve.
Sanchez now.
Set up to Habakon.
Habakon.
This time to Laput with a
Spikes
powerful
it down.
attack.
Powerful attack. Tama ka dyan, Coach Coco. Shivana Laput, reserving 2.
Provido still serving.
Adlaw with a good receive.
Set up to Habakon again.
And she scores.
This time, Habakon scores.
We're tied at...
Blanco.
Good receive there for LaSalle. Here comes Canino.
Nice dig by Adlaw.
Great effort for Adlaw indeed throughout this match.
Casillones, nice dig.
Another chance for Canino.
Nice defense this time. And
It fell short for Davao Eagles, and that's a point for LaSalle.
Team Davao could not recover
Unahan
nila.
Here comes Angel Habakon with a powerful serve.
Nice.
Drop shot. Good receive by Blanco. Here comes Davao. Canino, good dig. Laput.
Nice dig by Blanco.
Sanchez on another
Set
chance.
up to
Habakon. Good dig by Laput this time.
Now chance,
Reterta.
chance for Team Davao.
Sanchez sets it up.
Casillones.
Casillones
Long cross.
won't work. Here comes Canino.
Getting it.
Right through the defense.
The back row defense of Team Davao.
It's now a 6-point.
Like using a rocket
Oh,
to hit the ball that hard.
exacto yan Coach Coco. Here comes Davao.
Nice hit there by Sam Casillones.
Casillones delivers a point for Davao. Attack point yan.
Team captain of Team Davao. Good serve by Kabingatan.
Here comes the setup to Lapo. Drop shot. Good dig by Habakon.
Up to Habakon. Good save by
Ball
LaSalle.
still live. Sanchez. Habakon.
Ow. That was a setting error there. Sayang.
Provido with a drop shot.
That was an opportunity for Team Davao. Mababa lang yung set.
Oo. 12 serving 8 for the LaSalle. Lady nanonood ngayon sa Madiao Sports Davao. Thank you so much for joining us tonight.
Thank you so much.
Here comes Blanco.
Another setup for LaSalle.
Laput on the attack.
Hitting it deep cross.
The third set. Looking to extend the match.
Good serve by Andal.
Here comes LaSalle. Back to Canino.
Nice dig, nice. But Team Davao could not recover the dig.
Ito po ang abante ng LaSalle Lady Spikers.
Nice serve there.
Oh, good receive yun mula sa Davao.
Yeah. And Blanco gets the point.
Oo. Abigail Blanco scoring for Davao.
Yeah.
First set.
9 errors.
That's a good dig by Adlao. Good receive, rather. Here comes. Oh, that's another rejection.
Good block again by Asuncion.
Replay hatid sa inyo ng Madiao Sports Davao.
In the afternoon, so alas 4 sa hapon, tama sugod, earlier. So we would like to invite everyone to please come and join us again. Tugma, alas 4 sa hapon.
Another good jump serve.
Nice serve.
Here comes Sanchez for Davao.
Out to
Habakon blocked.
And that is too close to the net.
The
And
defensive combo of Daphne Asuncion and Ella Raagas delivering for the De La Salle Lady Spikers.
Again, this time, nice.
Oh, good receive there for Davao. Habakon.
Davao.
Good dig by LaSalle. Canino goes over the net.
What a set there by
Los Baños.
Nice save. But
And that's a point indeed for Los Baños.
LaSalle could not recover the dig.
Here it is.
Nice
Great jump
again.
serve once again.
Very good jump serve.
Canino now on the setup. Reterta.
Chance for Team Davao again.
Another opportunity, drop
again,
shot.
that is too short.
Good dig by Escandor.
Nice
Asuncion!
block this time from Los
That was
Baños.
blocked from Los Baños. Adlao with a good receive. Sanchez. That was partially deflected.
And that's a point for Team Davao.
Miscommunication for LaSalle. And that's a
Coming.
point. Serve for Davao. Canino with the receive. Reyes sets up to Reterta. And scores.
Nice hit there for Terta.
Serve tonight.
Good serve.
And a better receive for Davao. Sanchez.
Nice hit there.
Kabingatan.
For
Scoring.
Eli
Davao.
Cabingata. And I think they have to adjust well on their offense.
And
another good hit
Reterta
for
with the attack
Reterta.
point.
Spikers, jersey number 11.
23. Take a look at this replay hatid sa inyo ng Madiao Sports Davao.
Medyo na ulabog sila. So
17 serving 23.
Good serve.
Reyes on the setup to Canino.
Oh, nice dig by Cabingatan.
Kabingatan on the opportunity.
And that is too
But
long.
it went out. And with that error, it's now a match point for the LaSalle Lady Spikers. Score 6 straight points sa ating third set.
Good serve by Noro. Set
Chance
up
for
to
LaSalle to go for the
Canino
win. Canino
win.
goes for the win. And she wins the match for the De La Salle Lady Spikers.
Congratulations also to Team Davao for their effort against the much stronger De La Salle University Lady Spikers.
And that ends the match as the De La Salle Lady Spikers sweeps the match over the hometown Davao Eagles as the De La Salle Lady Spikers win set 3, 25-18.